Good morning, kids. Open the book. Jolly English Reader, Level 2. Now open page number 16. A fat cat. Now let's read the paragraph. A big fat cat sits on a mat with a ball and a bat. Has a red bag with a name tag. The bag has a hat. The cat calls the rat to play with ball and bat. Now give me answers of some questions. Who sits on the mat? Yes, cat sits on the mat. Now second question, what is in the bag? Yes, hat is in the bag. Now the third question is, what is the color of the bag? Yes, the color of the bag is red. Now the last question, who does the cat call? Yes, cat calls the rat. Now we will read new words. A has with name the ball call and to. So now you all have to repeat this page. Thank you. Bye.